In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and add columns in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your specific workspace dashboard. This is where you'll find all your projects organized neatly. Next, select the project board where you want to add new data fields or columns. This is essential as it ensures you're working in the correct location. Once you're on the right project board, locate the plus button at the end of the existing columns on your main board. This plus button is your gateway to expanding the capabilities of your board. Click the plus button, and a menu will open featuring a variety of essential and super useful column types. Take a moment to browse through these options. You'll encounter several types of columns, such as status, date, people, or even specific country flags. Each column type serves a different purpose, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your needs. Once you've found the desired column type, simply select it, and it will be instantly inserted into your active project table. This feature allows you to quickly expand your board without any cumbersome steps. Now that your new column is added, you can start interacting with it. Click on a cell within the new column to begin inputting relevant data or text. This is where you can enter the specifics that your team needs to track. To enhance clarity and understanding for your team, it's a good idea to customize the column name. Make sure to clearly label the information your team is tracking. This will help everyone understand what data is being collected at a glance and can greatly aid collaboration. Additionally, you can utilize the column menus options to filter, sort, or hide the data based on your current needs. This feature is particularly helpful when you have a lot of information and need to pinpoint specific details quickly. Finally, once you've completed these steps, you are done. You've successfully added and customized a new column in Monday.com, enhancing the way you manage your project. Whether you're tracking tasks, deadlines, or team responsibilities, understanding how to add and use columns effectively can truly streamline your workflow. That's all for today's video on using and adding columns in Monday.com. Remember to practice these steps to become more familiar with the platform. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using productivity tools like Monday.com.